Guys, it's been a day. What a day. It's 5 to 9 and I'm aware I look like a massive turnip. In this vlog, you'll probably see why. We went out for a bike ride to a forestry England place. Can't remember the name of it. Keeps slipping my mind. The video does end quite suddenly because things kind of took a turn for the worse. Like the day just went downhill. That's not really in this vlog. The vlog is about the bike ride. This is actually the first vlog that I will be posting on YouTube, even though I did a day out last weekend. I edited and went to upload last weekend's vlog on YouTube and it was like, no. Basically, from what I can tell, your first video can't be longer than 15 minutes. So this one's a bit shorter because I need to upload a shorter one before I upload last weekend's one, which lasted 20 minutes. So, I mean, if I stop waffling on, it might just fit under 10 minutes. Enjoy. We've arrived at... Where are we? I don't know where we are.
Hicks Lodge, Hicks Lodge.
We've arrived anyway. Ryan's got to build the bikes now. So it's quite sunny, but it's very windy and it's very cold. Time to get the kid out of the car. Is it good?
Yeah. Are we ready? Or you want to lean on the tree? Ready.
Are you going to zoom in front?
Are you holding on then? Your handlebars. Ready?
Bye! Honestly, all I can hear is Nate giggling and saying, I want to find another bump, I want to find another bump. So he's clearly enjoying it. And I'm not really as worried about him on the front seat now because I was finding the thought of it really scary because I hadn't seen him. They've long gone, so I'm going to go and catch up with them.
Ready, ready, ready. Get ready for the ball. Ready.
Babe, show me your derriere. Dirty. One latte for me, one decaf latte for Ryan. They gave him a heart again. They always give him a heart, and then I've got this leaf and a baby chino for Nathaniel. Enjoy. If you become a member, you get to park for free. Today we paid £8.50 for parking for 3 hours, which is quite a lot, but obviously everywhere to go is free. That's Ryan, don't know if you heard him, shouting, it's very slippy, be careful. But I've managed not to fall over, so... Whoa, okay, I did just slip, to be fair. Yeah, this lovely, lovely park. It's a bit wet, but... Where are you? Nice little toddler area. And it seems that Nate's past the toddler area now.
Why don't you go on the stones on the side? That's a good idea. There we go. There we go. Big step. Oh, you're going to go so fast with your bluey suit on.
We think.
We know. On your bum, remember. Maybe not big liver, maybe on bum. Yeah. Okay, wait. Daddy will catch you. Just in case.
3, 2, 1.
Go.
Wow, that was good. Is it Daddy's turn?
You want a bit more water, please? Hello?
Nate's obsessed with drinking water out of Ryan's rucksack.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, what do you need? Yeah. Helmet and gloves.
Helmet and gloves? Gloves on?
Not.
Yes, yes, baby, maybe gloves.
Ryan is currently riding with Nate on the front and Nate's bike on the handlebars because we're going to go to the pump track and take Nate and let him have a go because he did really well on the front but he didn't actually get to do anything. And now he's seen his bike, he's really excited to have a go because he's not been on it for ages. This is the same route that we did earlier. No, we didn't do that one. We did a different one. I'll show you the map in another clip of the trail that we did. But there's a few different trails to choose from. Some of them are shared walking and cycling. Some of them are just the bikes. So we've just got to the mini pump track, which is called the Hub. So there's another one called the Pedal Challenge where there's like 3 or 4 different levels that you can do, but we're just going to start on here so Nate can have a quick go for the first time. So this is the second pump track and there's 4 different ones. They're really short. That one just goes around the outside. Number 2's got loads of little bumps. Number 3 is bends and then number 4 is bumps and bends. So Nate likes number 2 because it's just a few bumps going in a straight line.
And down.
Wow.
And up, 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 up. Oh, you can do it. Big, strong. And down. Oh. What's Mummy doing? Mummy's being a kid.
Can I help, Daddy?
Okay, do you want to come around here on this one? Come around here, baby. Hold Daddy's hand. Hold Daddy's hand. Walk up. Well done. Walk up this one. Concentrate. Concentrate. Daddy's got your hand. Oh, careful. Look where your toes are going, baby. Look where your toes are going. Good boy.
Mummy and Nate meet in the middle.
Good jump. Well done.
Ready. Get ready for takeoff. Whoa. That's really hard with one hand. Nate loves going on aeroplanes and taking off. Where's your aeroplane going this time? Here's a map of the whole place. I just came to throw this in the bin because we're gonna leave now. So you start off here at the car park, and we did this yellow route to get to the blue route from here. So the one we did was Shellbrook Trail, 7 kilometres, oh 9 kilometres, yeah, that's what we did. So we've been here like 3.5 hours now, so it's time for us to leave, get some lunch.